Hey yo friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mizoram Education Hub. A video here, reduction of polynomials questions can solve dona not only me nang mani pon in solve chu. And all these questions I have taken from class 10 MBSE textbook. Important role duga ni wajan ju exam apochu agdul duga. So pakhatte then can solve nga. Channel hi in la subscribe lo chun mo in subscribe nge donyo. So tatrang hin can start nga. Reduce x square plus 7x plus 12 by x square plus 5x plus 6 to its lowest term. Lowest term on the jutil dang ing man can simplify me don't tinani chu. Okay, so simplify turin amasaberachun middle term split pong I don't alam. So middle term split thiamangaya hey x square plus 7x plus 12. Now middle term split turin number panikan ngay tuangay chin na kantla nangay chin, and those numbers can be hey multiply nuwa 12 chuangay ngay tur and belila bel nuwa 7 alaw chuatur. So what can be those two numbers? Pakatsu 3 anithaya and adang 4. So han check chinila pathumle pali belila plus 7 kan nay dona, yes, satisfied. And 3 le 4 multiply la plus 12 kan yes, satisfied. Chumi wangchon 3 le 4 kan mang du chon 4 le 3 po man thei tawan yo answer chungai reng don x square plus 3x plus 4x plus 12. Tatrang hian x common kan la theya, so x plus 3 chuan tatrang hian 4 common kan la thei. So 4 common kan lak chon x plus 3. X plus 3 hata po ma, x plus 3 hata po hian oma. So x plus 3 common la chuak de la po na kan danga. And a chunga x le plus 4 hi abang dona. So x plus 4 ang ziya kang. Chutiang bok chuan anwayami po hi middle term kan split nga x square plus 5x plus 6. Now, number panikan tlanangay le kanzon kan ngay tuanga, what can be those two numbers? 2 le 3. Hey, belila 5 kan nay dona and multiply nuwa 6 kan nay tiyang. So 2 le 3 x square 5x is splitila 2x plus 3x plus 6. Tatrang yan x common kan la chuak tiya x plus 2. Tiyang bok chuan tatrang yan 3 common po na kandanga tiyan. Now, x plus 2 le x plus 2 om vea common pona kanda chuak lenga masenga chunga hian x and plus 3 oma, so x plus 3. Now, numerator le denominator forma kandang hemitil hi achungania and hemitil hi anwaya kandanga. So x square plus 7x plus 12 by x square plus 5x plus 6. Now values kan nay toa achunga kandang x plus 3 and x plus 4 by anway mi hey simplified form kan ziak toa x plus 2 and x plus 3. Now x plus 3 le x plus 3 kan cancel theya x plus 4 by x plus 2, and this is the final answer, simplified form chu ani. Okay, so question pakhat kan solve to session hi trying teach one in like nge donyo. So here is the second question. Reduce 3x raised to the power 4 minus 243. Now tahian achenin engen nge to don an nge to dan tur chu avamak fe 3x raised to the power 4 minus 243 anya and anwaya x square plus 9 and 3x minus 9 tihana oma. Always in this type of question, from these two places common nge china, so 3 common 243 3 into 81 and it's also common you can la chuak teyang x raised to the power 4 minus 81 by x square plus 9 and 3x minus 9. Now, achungami hi kan la simplify the further kan la simplify the. It is already in the form of a square minus b square. Hemithili tiang pan kan ziak the tolom x square whole square minus 9 square tiang pon kan da thei tholom divided by x square plus 9 and 3x minus 9 hemi thil dang eng man lawa a square minus b square ania so a minus b into a plus b hian kan ziak te kan break thei so kan break ang 3 now bracket a minus b means x square minus 9 and a plus b means x square plus 9 divided by anwaya x square plus 9 ama and 3x minus 9 cancel thaya omem adule la cancel ri lawila hey tatrang pohian 3 common kan la chuak te nyo kan la chuak phodang so 3 achunga mi how hi chu la khoi dang lam lo ila x square plus 9 ma seng hey x square plus 9 and tahian engtin nga kan ziate 3x minus 9 ania 3 common kan la deyang so x minus 3 okay and again hemi x square minus 9 hi engtin nga kan ziate x square minus 9 zia chu x square minus 3 square and x square minus 3 square hi again a square minus b square form which is nothing but a plus b into a minus b so engtin nga kan ziang so x minus 3 le x plus 3 tiyan kan da thai voi khat ka ziak lenga athui in ti mai theya ma sing in practice tam lu tuk chuan taka athui lo x square plus 9 by x square plus 9 into 3x minus 3 now cancel thai omem kan zong nga lang hai 3 le 3 can cancel thai x minus 3 le x minus 3 can cancel thaya x square plus 9 le x square plus 9 can cancel thaya topa only the answer will be x plus 3 all these questions are there in class 10th textbook now hemi question here simplify this one in the simplest form in order to solve this question dulemi toplam solve zoglamo identity pakhatin shia tangai and that identity came on relote nuwa galo shilang chow so heng hawi dule practice podila solve podila ahma sabera chuan achunga mi hi middle term kan splitang so x square number panikan zanangai le number panikan ngai to kan thlanga bel nuwa minus 2 netur and multiplication nuwa minus 8 lo chuang nge tur and what can be those two numbers minus 4 le plus 2 and chinto minus 4 le plus 2 always minus 2 ani a and minus 4 multiplied by plus 2 minus 8 anitrin satisfy ve that's why minus 4 and plus 2 kan la ang minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 same way waya pohian number panikan ngai to ngaya kan tlana ngaya bel nuwa minus 9 nitur and multiplication nuwa plus 20 what can be those two numbers minus 4 and minus 5 bel chinto minus 4 le minus 5 minus 9 anitrin yes adiklu tuka chuan minus 4 le minus 5 and multiply chinto minus minus plus ani daitrin and 4 into 5 28 plus 20 ni chiang dosen that's why minus 4 and minus 5 kan lathai kan splitanga x square minus 4x minus 5x plus 20 now tatrang hian x common kan langa tatrang hian 2 common kan lang tatrang hian x common kan langa tatrang hian minus 5 common kan lang so kan zia kang ta hian o ka ziak lenga x common kan lak chuan x minus 4 plus 2 common kan lak chuan x minus 4 anwaya tatrang hian x common kan langa x minus 4 now minus 5 common kan lak chuan x minus 4 achunga kan neya ngatinge tun trum plus kan zia lo achan chu plus means what minus into minus hemi minus pakhathi pona kan lak chu achun kan da chun achunga minus pakhat bang don alom that's why minus nge chimizwa tapohian x minus 4 ama tapohian x minus 4 ama common kan la deyanga x minus 4 and achunga x and plus 2 abangang chutiang bok chon anwaya pohian common omem om chiang lu tuka x minus 4. So x minus 4 pona kan langa achunga x and minus 5 kan dang x and minus 5. Cancel the omem. Yes, chiang luke. So can cancel to panga. So final answer will be simplified reduced form tihian kan zia kang. Next question. X square minus 25. Tiang tepiju fast devin shia tiam ngaltur. A x square minus 5 square form andani hi. Chuan heta le heta hian common enge x le x. Chumi function x sirang tiang berin pona inda chuak ngalang tihian. Chumi zawa. Hemi hi a square minus b square form throw. So a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. So x plus 5 into x minus 5 divided by x. Chon 5 minus x. Cancel thay pakat maom lo tro. Masenga ngay ngang claimin kan rearrange chunga idon. Ento achunga x minus 5 oma anwaya 5 minus x anya. So negative hipo nada chuak deila x plus 5 x minus 5 by x anya 5 minus x hi tahan negative daila an omna ay interchange tay because negative common kan la chuak kalam hey tahian plus oma and kasay zo chin and tunlok kan kasaya and chin kan kasaya tro plus means minus into minus. So minus mas zo kipona common kan lak chon minus pakata bang chuchu khoya 5 ma maseng minus x satrang in minus common kan lak chon plus x ani dei don x plus 5 and x minus 5 by minus x and minus 5 plus x minus 5 plus x hidule x minus 5 tiang pon kan ziak te tholam. Now x minus 5 le x minus 5 kan cancel te ya negative in wayam chun chunga po ganda te anin angreng eng madang lam law. So minus x plus 5 by x. This is the final answer of this question. Now next question. X raised to the power 4 2x cube plus x square and anwaya x plus 1 whole cube. Now in this question x raised to the power claim ber hi common kan la chuak chen omzia chu x square tatrang point x square tatrang poyan x square common kan lang because x square is there in all three cases. X square common kan lak chuan achunga x square plus 2x plus 1 abang dona and anwaya x plus 1 whole cube. And let's simplify it. X square. Now middle term can split a number panigan tlanga bel nuwa 2 nitur and multiply nuwa 1. That can be 1 and 1. A belila 2 anya and multiply la 1. Adik chiang Jumi vang chuan x square plus x plus x plus 1 tihian kan ziak thay and anwaya x plus 1 whole cube. X square plus 2x plus 1 thay jo hi x plus 1 whole square and china. Jumi function dule direct in that thay direct tihian in ziak thay ya x plus 1 whole square. Now cancel thay omem. Cancel thay chiang luk x le hemi x square mi x pakhati kan cancel denga chutiang bok chon x plus 1 whole square le x plus 1 whole cube kan cancel anga nwaya x plus 1 abang don. So final answer of this question will be this one, x by x plus 1. Next question, x square plus 7x plus 12 tapo in middle term kan split anga number panihan ngay tuale lokila tlangila bel nuwa 7 ni ngay tur and multiplication nuwa 12. Those numbers can be 3 and 4. Hiyanto belila plus 7 anya nay plus 7 and multiply ila 3 into 4 plus 12 hey plus 12. So 3 le 4 kan latay maseng kalarigan tlak lokang lawan ruwa x square plus 3x plus 4x plus 12. Dule 4x le 3x titiang pona zia te thawani of x square plus 4x plus 3x plus 12. Answer chu ngai rang don danglam don lo. same anwaya po hian number pani kan ngei tua lenga kan thlang lenga minus 6 le minus 27 tro so minus 9 le plus 3 ani thei 9 le nga tinge minus 3 ni theilo ani theilo na chan ber chu bel chin teu 9 atangin pathum pe ju plus 6 ani thei sin aseng ki ta gen minus 6 turania minus 9 a pathum belula minus 6 kan nei that's why the first case zo ki kan lang minus 9 le plus 3 okay so minus 9 le plus 3 x square minus 9x plus 3 minus 27 and then minus 9 le plus 3 multiply lo minus 27 bokin huang tatrang hian x common kan lak chuan x plus 3 chimizwa hetatrang hian 4 common kan la theya x plus 3 anwaya tatrang hian x common kan la theya x minus 9 chutiang bok chon tatrang hian plus 3 common kan la chuak theya x minus 9 now heta po hian x plus 3 oma ta po hian x plus 3 oma so x plus 3 pona kadanga achunga hemi le hemi hi bang don x plus 4 bang don same way nwaya po hian x minus 9 le x minus 9 common kan la theya and achunga nge bang don x plus 3 okay now cancel theya omam cancel theo ju and cancel zalanga x plus 3 le x plus 3 and cancel our final answer of this question will be x plus 4 by x minus 9 so this is correct answer x plus 4 by x minus 9 here is another question 8 minus x which you already simplified for ma eng ma common kan la thailo maseng anwayami hi chu middle term kan split thai so number pani kan choose lenga engle engeni theidon ta hian e plus minus 8 le plus 1 try chinela minus 8 le plus 1 minus 7 and ya hemi chu a fulfill phota minus 8 into plus 1 minus 8 yes hemi poi a fulfill chumi function minus 8 le plus 1 kan la ang minus 8 and plus 1 so x square minus 8x plus x minus 8 hemi plus x omze chu plus 1x a ai nang veve now tatrang hian enge common kan la chua thai x common so x pona daila x minus 8 chimzwa tatrang hian engma common omlo tro common omlo chuan 1 common kan la chuak thai x minus 8 now ta hian x minus 8 oma ta point x minus 8 oma common kan la chuak le thai so x minus 8 and a chunga x plus 1 hemi le hemi cancel thai mi along your direct kan cancel thelo cancel indu chuan an omna hi kan replace angai dona and negative sign omang hey tahian plus omatro plus means what minus into minus minus common la chuak de teu minus common in lak chuan minus 8 bang dona and plus x so plus x minus 8 hian in ziak thai and anwaya x minus 8 and x plus 1 cancel deula atopa chuan this will be our final answer minus 1 by x plus 1 here is another question x square plus x minus 56 and x minus 2 x square plus 8x ani chua nami poi solve leila hemi hi split leila number pani thlangila number pani choosila belin plus 1 nitur okay hey coefficient 1 ania bel nuwa plus 1 nitur and multiply nuwa minus 56 so it can be plus 8 and minus 7 anithayam yes anithay chiang laduk x square plus 8x minus 7x minus 56 and anwaya x minus 2 tahian common x yes x square train x pakhat kan lak chuan x bang dona and 8x train x kan lak chuan 8 bang achunga hian common is x so x plus 8 minus 7 x plus 8 by anwaya x minus 2 into x plus 8 and achunga x plus 8 le x plus 8 common tero, so x plus 8 and bracket chunga x le minus 7. And waya x minus 2 into x plus 8. Cancel the omjon cancel nga x plus 8 le x plus 8 can cancel the. So remaining part can answer anidon x minus 2 into x. Dule x ihela masi akula poi chonglo. Tiyan mo x into x minus 2. So this is the final answer.